Hello Selenium learners, welcome to this video. So how to learn Selenium automation testing quickly? Let's face this question. This is Bakshu from Merit Pros. This video is going to be helpful for beginners or freshers or manual testers, like you have 5 years of manual testing experience or 3 years. My strong advice to you is don't just learn random bits or parts like Selenium locators or writing a login test or writing a search test or only few specific bits or parts. This is not good for your real-time automation job. Learn Selenium or required stuff for your real-time automation job and for your day-to-day automation activities, because in your real-time job you are going to start with a test case, like open the browser, then do the required automation actions, then do verifications or validations. So learn Selenium as required for that. Then going further, I have 5 steps breakdown for your learning. So here there are like 5 steps. You need to learn Selenium in that way, step by step. So first one is getting started with Selenium and programming language. Selenium supports a number of programming languages like Java, C#, Python, like that. You need to start with the best one. Java is the best, and there are huge job opportunities associated with that. So start with Selenium plus Java combination. So in the first step we are looking at like automation and web testing basics, then Selenium basics, then getting started with Java and Eclipse, then learning Java essentials like Java basics, then loops, conditions, then like classes, objects, inheritance, like that. So learning Java essentials for Selenium automation, then getting started with Selenium WebDriver, writing a simple test script like that. Then let's go to step 2, that is Selenium WebDriver in depth. So here we need to learn Selenium WebDriver in depth, like running Selenium test scripts on different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, then how to handle different web elements using Selenium WebDriver, like handling input tags like text box, checkbox, radio button, handling links, drop down lists, then multiple web elements, web tables, then going into more advanced elements like JavaScript alerts, then how to handle with implicit waits or explicit waits, then Ajax web applications handling, then going further like capturing screenshots, file attachments, multiple browser windows, then handling like frames, mouse events, keyboard events. So in the step 2 you need to like learn how to use Selenium WebDriver to handle different web elements and web events. Then we are going into Selenium Hybrid Automation Framework. So we need to learn the framework topics, like starting with TestNG to manage the test scripts, then going into framework concepts like page object model, data driven framework, then Maven to handle the build management like project dependencies, then managing the project, then BDD and Cucumber framework to apply the BDD stuff, then extend reports for reporting. So we need to learn the design patterns and hybrid automation framework. Then we have step 4, which is CI/CD and continuous testing and team collaboration. You need to learn Jenkins, like how we can use Jenkins to run our project continuously on a schedule, then Git and GitHub for version controlling for our automation framework code. Then team collaboration, definitely you are going to work with a team, so you need to learn the team collaboration as well. Then all this you are learning for your Selenium job, to attend an interview, to get a job, then do the job. So make sure that whatever you learn you apply that in your resume, show that experience or responsibilities in your resume, then get ready for interviews, like prepare for interview questions, be interview ready and be job ready, then do the job search, then get your dream job. So these are like 5 steps for you for your learning. Then to make it easy, so how to make it easy? To make it easy, I have 5 steps for you. So these are the 5 steps. First thing, be self-motivated and then confident during the whole learning period. It is not going to happen within 1 day or within 1 week. You need to give like time and then dedicate yourself. So be self-motivated and then confident, be positive and then dedicate yourself. Then find a best learning resource, like either it can be online course or online training. It can be on Udemy, YouTube or your favorite learner. So find a best learning resource. Then make sure that it has like premium content, lifetime access, support forum, then collaboration with other students. This is going to make your learning very interactive and easy for you. then practice a lot to master the topic. So make sure that they are like do it yourself tutorials. Whatever you are like learning or watching in the video, do it yourself. So practice a lot. Start with simple topics, then go into advanced topics, play around with that. So practice a lot to master the topics. Then you need to dedicate the time. Like I would suggest like dedicate 3 months time with 2 hours per day. That is like really good time. So 3 months time, then 2 hours per day. So you need to dedicate that schedule. Then make sure that at the end you are ready for interviews and job. So you can face a interview, then win it, then start with a job. So make sure that at the end you are applying all these topics in your resume, then you are attending the interviews, clearing them, then you are starting with your dream job. So these are the 5 steps to make your learning easy for you. Then subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. Then if you have any questions related to Selenium learning or Selenium career, or if you have any challenges, write down in the comment section. We will answer those. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.